Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change language in RF Online Next game on PC. So after launching Netmarble launcher, here you can select your game, and after that go to the game settings and then click on manage settings, and after that go to the general, and here you can see launcher language. Here it is selected as English. From here you will have to change to any other language. Just for example, select Spanish and the language will be changed to that particular language you have selected. If you want to revert it back once again, then simply go to the, as you can see, the language has been changed to that particular language. Now if you want it to change back to English once again, simply click over here, click on manage settings and go to general, and from here you have to select English once again, and the language will be changed to English language once again. So by this way you can change the language of RF Online Next game from English to any other and revert it back to English once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.